Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am in a massively oversized hoodie. It's not even a hoodie, it's like a little windshield jumper thing that, if I can show you, says cash on it. Ha ha ha. Kind of looks like Gucci, but not really. Yeah, so this is from Fashion Nova. It's super warm. It's winter in Australia right now, so it's my vibe. I never wear white. I certainly won't be leaving the house in this. You get me? You get me. Okay, so on to today's video, and we are doing another Bellabox unboxing. Now, if you have watched this channel, and I will link it above for you to check out last month's if you're interested, I have kind of been really disappointed with Bellabox as of late. It's kind of not been what I think 20 bucks a month is honestly worth it, in my opinion. But basically, this is an Australian New Zealand subscription box that gets delivered monthly, and it's $19.95, I think it is, per month. And I do pay for this myself. This is not sent to me. It's certainly not sponsored or anything like that. And basically what happens is you get up to, I think it's about 5 items, and they can, you know, vary from full size to sample size to deluxe size, you know, for you to test out and see whether you want to, of course, go out and purchase again. Now, recently they had a price increase. So it went from about the $16 mark, I believe it was, to the $20 mark. And for me personally, you know, the way that they justified that price increase was because they're going to be collaborating with bigger brands. So far, I think I've maybe seen 1 or 2 collaborations with bigger brands, but the rest of the months since then, which has been probably for the last 6 months, in my opinion, have been extremely disappointing. So I have been subscribed to this service now for just over 12 months, and depending on what is in this box this month, this very well may be my last month, because I just haven't really seen the value in there. So let's just, you know, casting away any previous negative thoughts about the box, let's just, you know, dive into this with, what's the word? Not positivity, open-mindedness. All right. So the first thing that we have here is a little description card. The theme of this month is cutting edge beauty. Interesting. This is the month of May, by the way, if I haven't already mentioned that, which I don't think I have. Yeah, it's been a big day. All right, so the first thing that we have here is this little lipstick here by Style London. Now, this is the hero product. Everybody did receive this. It came in 4 different shades, and you had the ability to nominate which shade you wanted. So I nominated to get this shade here, which is called Pink Peony. And these ones here retail at $15 Australian, and they are available at stylelondon.com. So according to this, add a sweet pop of colour to finish your look using Style London's paraben-free Mousse Matte Lippy. Featuring a soft hydrating formula with added vitamin E, each swipe will provide the perfect matte finish without drying out your lips. You will receive one of the following shades. Oh yeah, who cares about that? All right, so what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna take off what I've got on now and give this a go, because it did look like a really pretty color, and I think it'll go okay with the eye look I've got going on at the moment. I must say the packaging on this is actually really quite cool. I do really like the packaging. So this is the shade right here. Really, really pretty color. Definitely more of your pinky undertones running through there, I think. Yeah, that's a really nice color, I must admit. So I'm just gonna see how it applies. So I think like at the beginning, like I feel like it applies quite sheer, but it is buildable, and I must say it does feel very, very comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel drying at all, which is good. But yeah, actually so far so good. I do really like the feel of that. So that I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit surprised, because I didn't know whether I was gonna like this. And I think for $15, that is quite a reasonable price point as well. Now, I will just say, from Style London, Actually, I don't have it anymore because I threw it out, which is... So I have actually received a product from Style London before in a Bellabox. It was a couple of months back, and it was like a little contour face kit. So it had a banana powder, it had a bronzer, it had a blush, and it had a highlight. For me personally, I just found that formula to just not work very well with my skin at all. I found the bronzer to be very muddy. The highlight was too chunky for me. The blush was way too pastel. And the banana powder, I just didn't like the formula. So yeah, that particular product from this brand was a bit of a fail for me. But I have to say the lipstick, from what I've experienced right now, I have to say I really do enjoy it. It definitely feels like a comfort matte. It doesn't feel drying at all, and my lips do feel really quite moisturized actually. So yeah, so far I have to say I'm really impressed with this. Okay, next up we have this product by Inecto, and this one here is the Restoring Argan Hair Treatment. So this looks to be like a hair mask, which I have to say I'm pretty happy to receive. Does smell... Smells like vanilla actually. Smells pretty good. So yeah, definitely happy to give this a go. Not too sure obviously how this is going to work with my hair, but I am definitely happy to receive it because my hair is needing some extra loving as of late. I'm doing my best to sort of grow it out. I'm going to color it very soon. So yeah, I'm trying to wash it and condition it, etc. as little as possible, down to about 2 times a week. So yeah, this will be really good for it. Okay, so if you are interested, this one here retails at $6.99 and it is available at Priceline and Priceline.com. Not to be shady, but knowing the price makes me feel like it's probably not going to be great for my hair. It's like skincare. I find if it's, with the exception of maybe The Ordinary, I find the majority of cheap skincare is not overly great for you. I have to tend to say that I feel the same way about hair care. I will actually pop Instagram stories up and let you guys know how I feel about this. I'll probably use this, you know, in the next coming days. So yeah, if you haven't already and you want to, check me out on Instagram. Here's the link right here. Okay, next up we have a little sample. So this is just of a Paw body wash. I'm gonna be honest, I probably won't use this. Sorry. Up next we have this one by QV, and it is an intensive moisturizing cleanser. Tiny little bottle here. Now this one here normally retails at $16.30 and it is available at the egoshop.com.au and Chemist Warehouse. Now this one here I probably will save for travel. I think these sizes are really great for travel. And yeah, like you can never have enough cleansers. The next product that we have here, I'm actually really excited about this. I'm not overly excited about the size, but this is by Bioderma, and this is their micellar water. Now I have heard some really fantastic products. I have heard some really fantastic things about Bioderma. I've never tried them before, so I am actually really excited to give this a go. I just, of course, wish that the sample size was slightly bigger. And finally, guys, we have this face mask, and this is by Junis Luminous, and it is a Hydra Shield face mask. So yeah, very happy to have received this. I do love masking, so yeah, nothing wrong with receiving a sheet mask. Very excited to give this a go. Now this one here usually retails, and you do get 5 masks in the pack, and it usually retails for $121.49, and it is available at junisglobal.com. And that's it, guys. That's everything for the box. So I must say, look, this box wasn't as bad as what the other previous boxes have been. Again, like I said, I'm really happy with this lipstick. I think it's beautiful, and I'm very excited to try this Bioderma product out, and we'll see how this goes. I hope it's good. But again, look, coming down to it, you know, when you start to add everything up, this was $15. This was $7, so we're at $21. So far I'm $1 over, you know, the minimum spend. Not too sure how much one of these would be, knowing that you can buy 5 for essentially $125. It probably would be, you know, up there. But again, is it worth this box? I'm saying no at this point. And again, you know, with the other products, again, like I said, with the Bioderma, I would have loved to have seen this in a larger sample. I think that if this was in a, you know, even if this was a full-size product, I would feel like this box would be worth it, especially when you compare it to other boxes in the market, particularly those found in the US, and the value that you get out of those boxes compared to this. So I have to say this brings an end to my Bellabox journey. You know, I have enjoyed it overall. I have enjoyed receiving different products every month, and, you know, being able to sit down and make a video about it and try different things. That element of the box has been really, really good. But for me personally, I'm just at this point where I just don't see the value in them anymore. It's not doing it for me, if you know what I'm saying. So yeah, that's where I'm at. I am going to go ahead and cancel my subscription, so you will not be seeing any more future Bellabox unboxings on this channel. But yeah, look guys, if you do subscribe to Bellabox and you do get your monthly box, comment down below and let me know what your thoughts and opinions are on it, how you feel about the service, if you think it's changed, if you think it's kind of gone downhill like I do, or, you know, if you're actually really happy with it. I'd be really interested to hear you know, what you think. So yeah, be sure to leave me some comments down below. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more, just not Bellabox ones, other videos. And yeah, that's it guys. I'll see you all on the next one. Mwah. Bye guys.